Hey, what's up guys, TechTine here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the old iPhone boxes versus the new iPhone boxes, and we're going to be doing a direct comparison. So here we have the iPhone SE2s in the old boxes and the new boxes. So let's go ahead and talk about them. So first, the size of the boxes. I mean, you can tell that the old iPhone boxes, the new ones are twice the size of the old iPhone boxes. Let's go ahead and actually do the unboxing itself. So in the old boxes, you get your wall adapter, right? You get your headphones as well as your USB 2 to lightning cable. Okay, now let's unbox the smaller iPhone boxes, the iPhone SE2. And I mean, the boxes are nice. They look minimalistic, but yeah, let's unbox it. And here it is. Here's the iPhone SE2, and it's all red color. And you only get USB Type-C to Lightning. And there's an issue with that. I'll talk about it. And so here they are side by side, and you can tell that there is a little bit of an issue, a little bit of a situation. And I actually want to also discuss this. So in the old iPhone boxes, I understand that size is something that they want. Environment is really their excuse. But let's be realistic. This is a smart marketing decision that they made to save money and to make money at the same time. And that's Apple for you, right? So by decreasing the size of the boxes, they're saving money on boxes. By removing accessories and selling them to the side, they're saving money on accessories that they give for free, and they're selling them so that they can make money off of accessories that you get for free. Does that make sense? It's crazy, isn't it? And so I understand it looks environmentally, yeah, it's environmentally friendly, but if you want to be if really that's your main concern, which I'll argue that I'm not 100% convinced. If that's really their main concern, then what they could have done is make the price of the actual iPhone cheaper, like $20-$30 cheaper, in order for us to buy the accessories that they used to provide for free. But Apple is Apple, and they're just not going to do that. Now, the iPhone SEs that they do provide, I will also be making a 6-month review on the iPhone SE2. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. So the iPhone SEs are really a replica of the design of the iPhone 8s with specs and a camera of the iPhone 11 caliber. And so it's a fast phone, it's a nice phone, it's reminiscent to the previous generations. And yeah, that's pretty much all I need to talk about in terms of the phone. However, the accessory that I want to complain about too is the USB-C to Lightning adapter. So iPhone SE is really probably going to be a first iPhone for a lot of people because it's an entry-level iPhone. It's meant for people who want to get into the iPhone world without breaking the bank. Now, there's not a lot of USB-C wall adapters out there. A lot of people have their USB 2, not a USB-C. So that kind of creates a little bit of a problem. But again, it's a smart marketing strategy from Apple. Okay, so all in all, I hope you guys found this video useful. I just want to give my insight and my insight as well as my thoughts on how Apple likes to market and really likes to do what they do best, which is make money and they provide some nice products, don't get me wrong, but they do it in such a smart way that it just still mine it just it's crazy, right? And so, yeah, with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching. I know this is not your typical phone review or phone unboxing, so thank you for staying here and thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.